Tesla has 50,000 superchargers worldwide. Tesla has installed 50,000 supercharger stalls worldwide, significantly accelerating the pace of adoption in recent months. Charging infrastructure is one of the most important requirements for the advancement of electric vehicles, and the company is ensuring its rapid growth. On Thursday, Tesla announced a new milestone: the installation of 50,000 supercharger stalls. The company did not name the location where the anniversary connector was installed. At the moment, superchargers are being actively installed around the world. But the United States is one of the most dynamically developing countries in which the manufacturer pays special attention to its charging infrastructure. Today, about 35.3% of all supercharger stations are located in the U.S. Sept. 2012. 6 superchargers September 2023. The new milestone was reached just 5 months after the previous one. In early April, Tesla celebrated the installation of its 45,000th stall. This means that on average around 1,000 piles were installed each month during this time, highlighting the increase in speed. For example, the 35,000 mark was reached in June 2022. Prior to this, the 30,000 stall mark was reached in November 2021, and it took Tesla 7 months to add another 5,000. This indicates that the manufacturer is now releasing new superchargers much faster than before. The first Tesla supercharger was installed in September 2012, and in 10 years the manufacturer was able to achieve excellent results. By promoting electric vehicles, Tesla has made every effort to create an industry from the ground up. Everything from electric vehicles and charging stations to solar panels and batteries is being created, distributed, and continually improved to accelerate the world's transition to renewable energy. 50,000 stalls worldwide are located at more than 5,488 supercharger stations. The USA is the country with the largest number of charging stations, about 35.3% of all existing ones. China is still in second place with 33.1%. Canada is in third place with 3.5%. Germany is in fourth place with 3.3%. France is in fifth place with 2.9%. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.